everything is going according to plan. We have the money, we have the drugs, we have the guns. And we have the only person who can stop us. Isn't that right, Detective Gunther Gunn?
This rope's really tight. You guys are gonna be in a lot of trouble.
I will enjoy breaking you, like I did your comrade.
What have you done to my partner?
Let us just say that he will not be making an encore.
My God. The piano recital!
His performance should end with a bang.
Why you gotta be like this, Kremlin?
Typical American. In the old country, we repay our debts in blood.
Hate to break it to you, Rusky, but in this country, we repay our debts with justice.
Shotgun! Hooray!
You're supposed to be dead!
Yeah, about that. My piano was out of tune, and you're the only person I know who plays in B flat.
Oh no! Curse you, shotgun!
You're under arrest, Kremlin. Book him, Shotgun.
I believe he's dead, Gunther. I hit him with a piano.
Hope you like prison songs, cause your next music's gonna be in B flat.
Would you like me to explain the joke to you?
Nah, just untie me. And let's celebrate with some of these drugs.
But Gunther, that's evidence.
Jeez, lighten up, Shotgun. Next you're gonna say you don't want any of that money.
All the evidence needs to be accounted for.
But there's like a godzillion dollars there, Shotgun. No one's gonna miss any of it.
$1 godzillion is always gonna be missed.
Well, I'm sorry you feel that way.
What are you doing, Father?
Ending our partnership.
Do you have any idea of the shitstorm you've caused in this department?
But Lieutenant, I was just doing my job.
Your job is to lock up criminals, not arrest your goddamn partner!
He was breaking the law.
I don't care if he was breaking your cousin's hymen. That man is a hero to the boys in this precinct. You know he built a car that fights crime?
Yeah, I'm actually aware of that.
There's not a single goddamn cop left in this city who trusts you!
So what? Is this the part where you threatened to take my badge?
Yes again, Motorhead. Your new partner's gonna be keeping a close eye on you.
New partner? Okay, Miami, show me what you've got.